Thinking about selling your home this winter? Selling during the colder month can be a great opportunity to stand out. Hi, I am Valerie Milan Bones with Aurora Real Estate. Believe it or not, selling in winter can be done with the right strategy and tips. Here are my top tips to make your home warm, inviting, and market ready this winter season. First, let's start with curb appeal. Winter can make landscaping challenging, but there are still ways to boost curb appeal. Make sure walkways and driveways are clear of snow, ice, and debris. If you're in a colder climate, maybe you will want to add a wreath to the door or an outdoor plant that can make a great first impression. Next, let's talk about lighting. Shorter days means less natural light, so brighten things up inside. Consider adding lamps, upgrading light bulbs to a warmer, higher voltage, and open blinds and curtains fully. Bright lighting creates a cozy, welcome feeling and makes rooms appear larger, which is exactly what buyers are looking for. Then you need to warm up the space by making your home feel cozy and inviting. Set the thermostat to a comfortable temperature, light the fireplace if you have one, and consider adding plush throws, area rugs, and soft pillows. Buyers are more likely to connect with a home that feels warm and comfortable, especially in colder months. You also want to showcase any winter maintenance that you have done to your properties. Buyers will appreciate seeing that the home has been well cared for in winter. Highlight features like double panered windows, proper insulation, or recently serviced heating systems. These details reassure buyers that the home is winter ready and energy efficient. Don't go overboard on scented candles and holidays decor. A light seasonal scent like cinnamon or pine can add to the ambience, but avoid strong candles or overpowering sprays, as some buyers can be sensitive to scent. Same with the decor. Keep it simple. Less is more in most cases. Finally, you may want to emphasize cozy spaces. If you have a reading nook, a breakfast area, or a cozy corner by the fireplace, highlight these spaces. Buyers in winter months are drawn to warmth and comfort, so show off spaces where they can imagine themselves cozying up in a great way to make your home more appealing. A few seasonal touches can go a long way in making your home shine during the winter months. If you are thinking about selling this winter, let's talk. I'm Valerie Milan Bones with Aurora Real Estate, and we're helping our people elevate their real estate every day with fun in the sun.